Conversational Help is a Now Assist skill that uses generative AI to provide answers to questions about ServiceNow features. It's accessed through Get Help on the Now Assist panel. The Now LLM service supports the Conversational Help skill, bringing in more precise and relevant answers to user questions. Here we're logged in as Able Tutor, who has the Now Assist panel user role. We'll select Get Help to see how this skill works. Let's ask a question. What is the Now Assist panel? Here's the response. It explains what the Now Assist panel is and how to use it. Related links from the ServiceNow documentation site also appear. The documentation topic provides additional details about our question. Now we're prompted to ask a new question or exit the skill. Let's exit. A concluding message is displayed. Let's see what happens when we ask a question without first selecting Get Help. To access the Conversational Help skill, we'll ask about a task, how to create an LLM topic in Virtual Agent Designer. The Now LLM searches across resources and finds the relevant topics, including Get Help. We can select that skill to access it. Now that we're back in Get Help, our skill responds to the question, giving us step-by-step instructions on how to create an LLM topic. And it prompts us again to ask a new question or exit the skill. Let's ask about another task, how to export table records in XML. The response covers the required steps in the process and offers related links. This time, let's ask about a concept rather than a task. For example, what's a business rule on the ServiceNow platform? And we get a thorough explanation of what a business rule is, as well as a link to a doc topic on how to work with business rules. The Get Help feature is available as a part of Now Assist entitlements. No new subscription is required, so give it a try. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.